Hi there, future scientists and math wizards. Welcome to Smile Road. I'm Sir M, and I created this channel just for you, senior high school students looking to make science and math easier, clearer, and yes, even more fun. On Smile Road, we explore exciting lessons in general science, solve real life problems in general mathematics, and learn how these subjects connect to the world around us, from floating boats to your monthly budget. Each meeting, I'll guide you through lessons using simple explanations, real life examples, and even a few challenges to keep your brain sharp. Whether you're reviewing for exams, catching up on class topics, or just curious about how the world works, you're in the right place. Don't forget to hit that like, subscribe, and notification bell so you won't miss any of our learning adventures here on Smile Road. So, are you ready to start this journey with me? Let's walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Why doing good feels so good? The science of kindness. Our intended learning outcomes. At the end of this lesson, the learner should be able to explain why helping others creates positive emotions and satisfaction. Describe how human brain responds to kindness and generosity. Relate gratitude to increase happiness and social connection. Explain how culture influences practices of giving and helping. Give real life examples of how kindness improves mental and emotional health. Evaluate how volunteering and generosity affect individuals and communities. Appreciate the importance of kindness beyond holidays and special events. Apply the concepts of kindness and gratitude in personal and school situations. Kindness is a part of human nature. Humans are naturally social beings. From an early age, people learn to share, help, and cooperate. Scientists who study human behavior, like Amrisha Beish from University of Virginia, explain that long ago, humans survived by working together in groups. Helping others was necessary for finding food, building homes, and staying safe. Over time, the human brains evolved to reward cooperation with good feelings, making kindness something that feels natural, not forced. Kindness activates the brain's feel-good chemistry. When someone does a kind act, the brain releases chemicals that improve mood. Dopamine gives a feeling of pleasure or reward. Oxytocin strengthens trust and emotional bonding. Endorphins help reduce pain and stress. This positive effect is often called the helper's high, a natural emotional reward for doing good things. This means that helping others is not only good for the receiver, but also healthy for the giver. Gratitude and generosity create a positive cycle. Psychologist Sarah Sneaker from Baylor University explains that gratitude motivates generosity. When people reflect on what they are thankful for, family, health, education, they become more willing to help others. Giving then strengthens feelings of gratitude, creating a reciprocal cycle that boosts emotional well-being. Kindness has deep evolutionary roots. Psychologist Michael Tomasello of Duke University explains that although humans can be selfish, they also have strong cooperative instincts. Kindness became part of survival. Groups that help each other were more successful. Those instincts still exist today. And when we help, our brain responds positively because it recognizes cooperation as valuable. Kindness builds purpose and self-worth. According to Janae Nelson from Brigham Young University, kindness gives people a deep sense of meaning. Volunteering and helping others can increase confidence, reduce stress and sadness, provide a sense of direction in life, help people feel important and needed. Kindness allows people to feel they are part of something bigger than themselves. Kindness connects people and strengthens communities. Helping creates bonds. Volunteers often feel closer to their schools, neighbors, and communities. Social psychologist Sarah Aknin from Simon Fraser University discovered that people hesitate to contact old friends, but doing so makes both sides happier. Simple actions such as helping a classmate, sending a thank you message, volunteering, sharing resources can strengthen relationships and reduce loneliness. Kindness exists across cultures and religions. Giving is not limited to one nation or belief systems. Different cultures celebrate kindness in various ways. Diwali, Hinduism, sharing gifts and goodwill. Ramadan and Eid, Islam, charity and reflection. Christmas and Hanukkah, generosity and unity. Buddhist traditions, gratitude and compassion. These traditions remind people that kindness is a universal human value. The holidays are a reminder, not the only time to be kind. Many people give more during holidays, but kindness should happen year-round. Even small acts like listening to someone, encouraging others, being respectful, forgiving mistakes, make a lasting impact when done daily. Key message for you learners. You don't need money or power to change lives. Kindness is free, but priceless. When you help others, you are also helping yourself. Scan that for the reference. And that's it for today's lesson here on Smile Road. If you learned something new today, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your classmates. And make sure to subscribe and tap the notification bell so you'll be the first to know when a new lesson drops. This is Sir M reminding you that learning doesn't stop after the bell rings. Keep asking, keep exploring, and always walk the road of knowledge with a smile. Smile Road, where curiosity meets discovery. See you in our next lesson. Bye.